Hello, this is Roland, Cisco Switzerland. I quickly wanted to show you how fast we can dial into the various meeting platforms one by one. We start with the hidden meeting platform. That will be the Zoom meeting. We press join. We are getting a native experience, so dialing into the Zoom meeting with all the control items down here. We are leaving the meeting again, and the next meeting would be the Microsoft Teams meeting. So we're dialing into the Microsoft Teams meeting, joining. We have the video set up in both directions, so that's also working well. Leaving the meeting again. We are dialing into the Google Meet meeting as the next. I have to let the participant in. Admit. So it is requesting a call. It's a WebRTC experience. We are in now. We see the Baby Yoda extra, and we are leaving the meeting again. And we have the WebEx meeting, which I also have to let the participant in, but it is a native meeting experience as well. We have the video set up in both directions. So that was it. We have joined the 4 meeting platforms in the shortest possible amount of time to also see the video set up for this. That was it. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it helped, and looking forward to see you in my next video. Thank you.